I'm doing a lot of fencing at the moment, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you how to use these fencing pliers. There's all sorts of different functions. Sometimes you need to get old staples out, so you put this spiky bit in here and you're hammering on the hammer bit. It's difficult with one hand. It gradually levers it out and loosens the staple like that until they pop out. Once they're a bit loose, I don't know if you can see this pinchy bit, you can grab them like this, pinch, and they pull out, and you can use that curved bit to lever them until you've got the old staples out. So that's one function. Sometimes you'll find these uprights are not straight, they've been hit by something or whatever, so you can use this little bit, you see where it closes, put it over that wire and it just slides up and down, and you can get it back upright like that. That's another use. It's when you're finishing off the end of a fence that they're really useful. So that end down there has been attached to the post, yeah, and we need to attach it to this post and strain it as well. So we need to take these uprights out. These little bits, I don't know if you can see, they're wire cutters. So we're going to cut these uprights. Yeah. Now we need to get this cut upright out the way, so we twist it like this. And I can't show this all with one hand, but this bit of the pliers there, I'm going to get hold of that, and then as I'm holding that I can twist these things down and it'll loosen them up and they slide out the way. Okay, I've got them loose and you can see they'll just slide up and down now. Get them out the way. So the netting's attached, but it's still loose, so on short sections you can strain it by hand rather than using pullers, and yet, you've guessed it, you use fencing pliers. So this one, we drop it in here like this, and using these little bits here you can grip the wire, bring it up against the post, and then using it like this, you stretch the wire, you can put a lot of tension on, and when you're ready you bring it round like that, it holds the tension in and you cut it off. Yeah, to keep the tension on it you need to double it back like I did and then put another staple here so it can't unwind, and yeah, you guessed it, you could use it, bang it in with that, but a hammer's better. There you go, fencing pliers. Really handy little multi-tool for fencing, and you can use it for other stuff. You can even open a bottle with them.